So here's how to print document in Microsoft Word. First of all, you need to go to the left upper side, which is on the file option. Simply tap on it, and then on the left you will see the print option. So you need to select the print. Now a bunch of options will appear onto you. So first of all, you need to select how many copies of this document you need. So you can select like 1, 2000, 100, anything you want. So for my case, I'm going with 1. And then from here, under the printer section, you will probably see the drop down menu. So tap on that, and then you will see the name of your printer that you have connected into your PC. But I don't have any kind of printer connected to my PC, so I'm not getting any kind of it. But you will probably see the printer name here. You need to select that. If you want to print all the pages, then you can select print all pages, or you want to print any particular page, then you can simply go with the custom print, then type name of the pages. Like I want to print the second page only, so I will type 2. Then as you can see, print one-sided. Then the next option is if you want to print the both sides of the page or a single size. All right, so if you probably want one page, you can select one. Rather than that, you can select the both sides, so that you can print on the both sides of a single piece of paper. So if you want this, as you can see, this file is like a portrait mode, so I will go with the portrait. If you want to print something like in the landscape, you can select that from here. All right, then from here you can select the letter option. So probably you will print in a A4 paper, so you can select the A4. So 1 page per sheet, so you can select any of these. Like if you want 2 pages to be printed in 1 page, you can select that from here, but I want only 1. After selecting or adjusting all of these, you can simply tap on the print button, and then it will start printing your paper. So that's how you can simply print documents in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.